Big eraser. Big crayon. Draw inside the lines. Draw outside the lines. Fill. Glitter. Goodbye. That image is gone. The image is printed. Let's color. Let's go to the library. Little crayon. Little eraser. Oops. Do you want to print your image? Do you really want to exit? Do you want to save your picture in the scrapbook? It's in the scrapbook. See you later. Black, gray, white, purple, lavender, blue, light blue, blue-green, green, light green, yellow, brown, light brown, tan, peach, orange, red, rose, salmon, hot pink, pink. Sound on, sound off. Texture. Do you want to throw this picture away? Ugh.